Hello.
Hey, hello, Mrs. Judy. How you doing?
I'm fine.
How you doing, ma'am? I'm glad you're doing fine. You ready?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm doing amazing, thank God. Working, enjoying life a little bit here and working a little bit there.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I believe you spoke to John yesterday, and he called back, and I spoke to your husband. Have you guys discussed about the two options we offer?
We have been talking about it, and my husband said yes to do it, but we're not really exactly sure. And then he had to go out of town, and it'll be later tonight when he gets home. So we may have to get back with you guys like the Monday or something after we think it
That's
over real
cool.
good.
No, that's fine. And which one of the offers is the one that you guys are more interested in?
The most money that we can get back. um, Pretty much. But then my husband, he had my phone and called me after I sent pictures, and he didn't tell me a whole lot. He just said that he called and said 140. So I don't know what other offers there was, but that one.
Oh, wait, I actually know. Let me pull up the notes here because
Okay.
we track all of the notes. So, okay, give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, so one of the options is that we did some, of course, some math on how much we're gonna be able to pay. So if you guys need the cash fast, and we know that it's not gonna be that fast because we're still gonna need time to relocate, and we are aware
Yeah.
of that, right? So
Yes.
if you want the money within the next 3-4 months that you guys are gonna be able to move, we're gonna be able to pay 145,000 cash immediately. But the second option was that if you guys didn't need the money immediately when you moved, we could wait, like, because we need to remodel the property. And we're not going to ask you, like the other guy, to do yourself the improvements because we know it doesn't make sense. It's a lot of hassle. You're going to have to put out money. For us, I believe that's not going to be a good option for you. So the option is that if you guys move in 3 months and we get on an agreement or contract, the company is going to be putting out the money in the house to put the property in tip-top conditions, like in great conditions, great shape. And instead of the 140, we're going to be able to pay you 170.
170?
Yeah, but you will guys need to relocate in 3 months, so we can bring the crew to do the improvements in the property, remodel the house, and then we're gonna be able to say, okay, instead of 145, we can give you 170. But you will need to give us the time, and that will be after the 3 months. We will need 2 more months to remodel the whole property. That way, you guys can net more money, and that's the program that we call the equity protection. So that's still a cash offer, but it's a higher offer than the normal investor can give you because everybody will say no 140 and you're gone. So because we understand your situation and we know that you need help and we want to be that help, that's the best option. And we were able only to get you approved, and it's a very special case because that option requires capital from the company and requires the team to be involved. And I was so happy when you told me that we were going to be able to help you with that project, but we still need you guys to agree with us, see if you have any concern, any questions, so we can elaborate. But pretty much, go ahead, sorry.
Oh, the 170 sounds good now, and that's for 3 months, right?
So you move in 3 months because we understand that you're going to need time to relocate.
Right.
So after you move, until then, we're going to be able to bring the team that is going to rehab the property.